mini magic quiches. You're gonna need
6 eggs, 3 tablespoons of milk,
spinach, 1 cup of parm cheese, about a half a cup of bacon. To prepare, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna mix the ingredients in a large bowl.
I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of the milk. Are broken. We're gonna chop spinach.
This is a plastic knife, specially made for vegetables. It won't cut your finger.
People say, why don't you ever take off your red bracelet? I said, because it's important to me. Use a measure cup.
You're gonna add the spinach to the bowl. Now add the cheese to it.
A cup of Parm cheese, shredded. About a half of cup of bacon bits. Mix it really gently, but really nicely. I'm gonna use a silicone muffin pan. The good thing about silicone is you don't have to grease. Let's try one. I bet they taste really good. Audrey! Oh.
Hi. What's that?
It is the magic quiche.
Ooh, that looks delicious. Can I have some?
Yeah, sure, here.
Did you find this recipe in the magic book?
Yeah, it's right there. Bye, and we'll be here in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed it. Have a magic time. Bye, guys.